My name's Staley. I live in Blue Springs, Alabama. We actually drive 2.5 hours to get to Dr. Salamay. And the reason I came here was I had always been very active in school. I played basketball, softball, cheerleading, and I started having pain in my leg. I thought maybe I was just, straining some muscles. It's something very common. But it turned out that I actually herniated a disc when I was in about the 9th grade. So I had surgery the summer after my 9th grade year of school. I had to quit playing basketball. It's very painful. And for a while everything seemed fine. I thought it had been corrected, and after about 2 or 3 weeks after the surgery, all the symptoms came back. For about another year and a half, I still suffered from the pain that I had before surgery. I had done physical therapy, I had epidural injections, and I happened to find out about Dr. Salamay through my aunt who met him in Panama City, and it totally changed my life. Before I came to Dr. Salamay, I couldn't put my heel down. I was walking with a limp. It was very painful. I couldn't ride in a car. I wasn't comfortable anything I tried to do. And after my first adjustment, I had instant relief of my lower back pain and my left leg nerve pain that had been pinched off from a herniated disc. Yes, I had suffered in total, the suffering was about 3 years before the surgery. It's about a year and a half. Then a year and a half after the surgery, I still suffered before we were able to meet Dr. Salamay. Yes, I had corrective surgery for a herniated disc. I was taking medicine every day of my life. I thought that was just going to be something that I had to live with. And I had physical therapy, everything that I could try, we had tried. I had the epidural injections. They would last for a couple of days and then wear off, and nothing would work. It affected everything I did because I didn't feel like getting out and going anywhere. It hurt to even walk around, not much less with my family, but going anywhere with friends. I had always been to basketball games, football games, playing in them, cheering in them. But now I couldn't even go and sit in the stands and watch. It changed my life drastically when I got injured. My leg, after the first adjustment, I had relief like I'd had from nothing. I mean, the epidurals, the surgery, nothing compared to the relief I had, especially the first time. And it was great because it didn't involve any medicine. There was no cutting, nothing. I've only been coming to Dr. Salamay for about 2 months, but it just feels great. It seems like I want to think I've been coming much longer because I feel normal again, and I thought I would never feel normal again. I couldn't even remember what it felt like to put my heel down on the ground before I came here. And it just feels like my life felt before I came to Dr. Salamay. I'm back to doing most everything I did before I was injured. I was actually able to play basketball a little bit a few weeks ago. I can stretch. I have more muscle control. My muscles were so tight in my leg I couldn't bend. It was painful to sit, everything. The adjustments that I've had so far has been my method of treatment. I've been coming 3 times a week for a month and 2 times a week for a month so far. And we drive 2.5 hours one way to get here, so it is that much worth it. It has changed my life that drastically. My hope is completely restored. I recommend to anyone, if you're having any kind of pain, from headaches, nerve pain, suffering from fibromyalgia, even things like diabetes, please give Dr. Salamay a chance. I know he can help you. He changed my life. He changed the life of many of my family members, and I know he's going to continue to help people. And he treats you like you were the only thing on his mind. It's not like when you go into a normal doctor's office and you feel like you're just in a wave of other people and you don't get any attention. When you come here, you are his main concern, and he is going to do everything that he knows how to do to get you healed.